Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your phone and taking one quick backup so nothing is lost. Once done, install an iOS-style launcher and a matching icon pack from the Play Store. These replace your home screen and app icons to mimic iPhone layout. Make sure to grant launcher permissions and set it as default so it launches on boot. You do this because the launcher controls grid, dock, and gestures. Replacing it recreates the core iPhone visual experience immediately. Next, you recreate the middle layer, widgets, the control center, and the dock. Install an iOS-style widget pack and place the main widget where the iPhone would show it. Lock its position to avoid accidental moves. Then install a control center app, grant overlay and accessibility permissions, and assign phone, messages, and browser to the dock. Make sure to hide app labels and set the grid so icons align like iPhone. This is why the phone starts to feel familiar and consistent. Finally, you add polish. Install an iPhone-like keyboard, apply iOS wallpapers, and enable haptic feedback to match tactile feel. Configure notification style and set a Face ID-style lock app if desired, then refine animation speed and developer options for smoother transitions. If something breaks, for example gestures lag or icons disappear, clear the launcher cache, reboot, or reinstall the offending app. That fixes most conflicts. Make sure to test one change at a time so you can reverse any tweak you dislike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.